Bahrain recently introduced the new Restructuring and Insolvency Law to strengthen its legal framework and business ecosystem. The law effectively replaces the old bankruptcy and composition law and applies to commercial companies established in Bahrain and natural person traders with businesses in Bahrain. It, however, does not apply to entities licensed and regulated by the Central Bank of Bahrain. The new law is expected to boost transparency and efficiency in the insolvency process in Bahrain and improve the ease of doing business by bringing in reforms to bolster globally accepted good practices that include promoting reorganization or liquidation procedures, regulating the profession of insolvency administrators, strengthening creditors' rights, clarifying rules for commencing insolvency proceedings, improving provisions applicable to treatment of contracts and voidable transactions, and introducing provisions on post-commencement financing. One of the most significant features of the new law is that the court must decide on an application for restructuring before even hearing an application for liquidation. And the court will decide and order a restructuring if it achieves a settlement more favorable to the creditors or if it is economically justifiable for the debtor to continue with its business. By promoting and prioritizing restructuring procedures over liquidation procedures, the new law aims to prevent the liquidation of businesses with potential and reduce failure rates amongst small and medium-sized enterprises. The new law has brought in a range of reforms to ensure creditor protection by widening the net of assets that may be subject to insolvency proceedings, by clearly defining set-off rights, and by allowing an insolvency trustee to invalidate a transaction on the grounds of fraud or unfair consideration that may have led to the debtor's insolvency. The priority of creditors' distributions has also been clearly ranked in the new law, thus enabling transparency in the entire process. An effective insolvency system enables capital and labor reallocation and allows for the re-entry of entrepreneurs into the economy when small and medium-sized businesses fail, thus preventing the loss of investments, jobs, and viable businesses. Tamimi and Company's strength in financial restructuring and insolvency lies in our multidisciplinary practice and cross-regional reach. Our team's competencies enable us to find timely solutions for businesses in financial difficulties and advise distressed companies into navigating out of early-stage crisis.